Hey, have you been struggling with getting successful with e-commerce affiliate marketing? Or worse yet, have you gotten this frustrated because you've been kicked out by Amazon or you've not been approved by Amazon because you've not had your first sale yet? Then look no further. Introducing Easy Multi-Stores, a cloud-based platform that allows you to quickly create profit-generating e-commerce affiliate stores in 60 seconds without the traditional API issuance or approval hassles. Nothing to install, no website needed, complete plug and play system. Join me as we have a quick drive of Easy Multi-Store. Right on Easy Multi-Store's dashboard, the journey starts with you creating your first affiliate store. It all starts with creating new store. Give the store a display name of your choice. So we call this Smart Store. We hit and save. Great. Easy Multi-Store successfully creates a smart store login access for you, which you can access right at the bottom once you scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to find this right there. So hit on login to store. Once you log into your store, Easy Multi-Store takes you on the first onboarding to brand your store. So we call this again Smart Store. And you have to set up your subdomain. We still call this Smart Store. We hit on Create Store. At this point, you will launch into your newly created affiliate store dashboard. So go straight to setting up our online store front end. To do so, we want to select our first theme. We have 8 themes you can select from to select. So we just go ahead to select Athletic e-commerce. So we hit on switch theme. Once you've successfully set your theme, you can then come over to the gear menu icon right here to click to customize your theme. So you can go ahead to set your sliders, go ahead to set your banners as well as the shoes to link. So quickly get this over to your online store and set your logo. So hit on choose file to select your logo from the local machine. So right here we have the Smart Stores. Hit to upload. Great, so once you've successfully set up your logo in your storefront end is already taking shape. So we then go over to the product category to create our first category with which we're going to import our affiliate e-commerce products into. So right here we want to create a product called this add product or category. We're calling the shoes and we'll hit on save. Great, if you've successfully created our category, next you go to the search product menu. On the search product menu we have search Amazon, search Walmart, search eBay, Best Buy. We'll hit on search Amazon to get our first products bundle imported from Amazon. So right here you can see a notice for new affiliates. So for new who have not been approved or been kicked out before, but you own an associate account with Amazon, then you can use our plugin, our Chrome extension plugin that comes along with your account. You can see where my cursor is hovering. That is our Chrome extension. So how will you go about using this Chrome extension? First, you need to come over to Amazon. Right on Amazon, just type in shoes or whatever choice of keywords you want to choose for the products you want. Once it searches out your choice products, so you have your product collections right here. So once you have this like this, all you need to do, click on a companion Chrome extension plugin. So once you click on the companion Chrome extension, you see Amazon selected and you have all the products identified on this page is 90. So we can come here to hit and copy, or you could click and run if all of these IDs are not showing. So you wait for the site to fully load and you have all of these IDs, then you can go ahead to copy. Copied, you then come over to importing your products. You define the category which you created, which you want these products to come into. Then you go ahead to define your Amazon IDs which you copied. So you just copy and paste that. You can see it. Then you come straight here to hit and search. You give this some couple of seconds to fully search out all of those product IDs you've gotten. So with Easy Store or Multi-Store One Tool, you get all of these exciting results. You have your products imported. So at this point, you can go ahead to select the number of shoes you want. Selecting, all you need to do, hit on Import Selected Item. The same thing you also do across Walmart, eBay, and Best Buy. So let's quickly check out on Walmart. On Walmart, all you need to do, just specify the category you want to add this to, and you could be more specific with your kind of shoes. So you could just say sneakers and you hit and set. Once you're done importing all your products and you're set to let your store go live, you want to start sharing your URL to promote your store, you have to do one more thing, and that you can do right on the settings, which will take you to what we call the deep links. Deep links allows you to associate your affiliate identity. With Amazon, you need to go straight on to your Amazon associate account. Right on your Amazon associate account, you're going to find this store level. So you need to copy this carefully out. So once you have this, you copy it out, take it back to your Easy Multi store, and right inside of your deep link space, you drop it in there. Same also applies with AliExpress, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy. Once you're done, you hit and save. So at this point, we have deep link saved successfully. So we're then set to take our store live. You can come over here to hit on View Store on a new tab. Whoa, this is amazing. Here we have our new affiliate store set up for us with our sliders fully in place, and you can confirm our logos. So once you scroll down, you can see your new arrivals, of course, your new products which you've imported into your newly created e-com affiliate stores, and you can see this really looking quite amazing. So if you scroll down, you can choose to select any of those products to check them out. You can also scroll to see the options of products we have in here. So at this point, you could go over to hit on View Product. So right on View Product, notice here you can of course get to see how many views you've gotten. You get to see the analytics, and if you've gotten persons who have clicked on your buy link, that takes them to the next page where they can make the outright purchase. You also get to know about it here, and you can also get to see those who are in your wish list to get instant notification on product stock status and any price changes. They can just put their email address and submit, and automatically Easy Multi stores will handle that. We have the Notify Me. This allows your customers, your prospects, or visitors to your store to be able to set a certain price range for which they want to buy a choice product. So all they need to do, put their email address and set the price range, and automatically Easy Multi stores is going to handle all of that for you for that particular product. And interestingly, this also comes with review right here. You can all get the review video for this particular product. And when the visitor or your prospect comes over to hit on the buy button, this is what happens. So right on the buy button, if you look at the address bar at the top here, you notice here that our deep link was able to add our associate ID, which means every purchases that were made from this link now will certainly be made with my commissions to my affiliate account right on Amazon. This is really unique. This is really how powerful Easy Multi stores have really gone several steps ahead to make life quite easy for users. Now, if you come down to the settings right here, you get to see that there are several other configurations which you can do, especially within the notification section of this setup. At this point, you can enable email alert for your subscribers. You can turn this on, and if you have your personal SMTP settings, you can go ahead. If you don't want to use that from Easy Multi stores, you can set your own SMTP, and it's going to be sending out notification based on your personal SMTP. But if you don't have, not to worry, we already have all of that covered inside of Easy Multi stores. And of course, within your product import settings, you also have options to set your Facebook and Twitter notifications. For your set Facebook, you can share on Facebook when a new product is published. You can also share on Twitter when a new product is published. You can share on Facebook when a product price drops. You can also share on Twitter when a product price drops. So this also helps to carry along your store followers to help them know what is happening with your store. It also helps you to grow your followers and engagement on your social handles for your stores. And of course, you can set your SEO on your store as well as your custom domain. The truth is, Easy Multi store is incredibly powerful. It is quite easy for wannabes as well as for those who have never gotten success with e-commerce affiliate marketing. This is your one-stop solution to get the success just before this year wraps up. Thank you.